Okay, hey y'all. Give me a second. The sun's in my face. Sorry, I had to fix the camera a little bit, But we are doing laundry today. And I'm gonna not complain about that much because knowing me, doing laundry is my thing. And I'm pretty sure y'all have probably been known that, so it's not quite like what I'm expecting, but is in my perspective. I'm just trying to do the best I can. And okay, so I'm going to put the clothes in the dryer now, and yeah, because I am. So, just think about it. I guess I could just prop you guys here. I'm not really sure, but I think for better purposes, y'all could be yeah, right? The camera's a little bit tilted, but I don't know. Yeah, you guys can still see me from here. So, like I was saying, it is actually not that big of a deal because, just being doing laundry these days is kind of fun, because then I get to have fun. And also on my driving Proton Bus Simulator Road, the 2020 version, I have been doing good. So as you may have known, I've been doing a lot better. It's just that so if you guys saw the one that premiered, the one that I posted yesterday, the 27 minutes video of the Proton Bus Simulator, 2020 version. If you guys saw that, the 27 minutes video one, it was actually kind of good because when I was trying to make that turn, I did the turn all the way. Not the first turn you guys saw. Not the first turn that you guys saw when it was completely so the first turn that you guys saw that I did, when there was when the bus was coming on the other lane, all the way on the corner by the sidewalk, and then the other two or three cars were coming, so the bus and the other two cars were far away. So I took that chance and quickly turned because they weren't gonna hit me at all. Because after that orange car that was coming, and then the bus and the other two or three cars were coming, that was so far from the orange car. So when the orange car was about to pass, I turned. So when it passed me, I turned, and then that's when I didn't, try to get hit. But yeah, so because I wasn't gonna wait for the other cars to come, for the bus and the other two or three cars to come, because because I still had a chance. When I completely turned, they came in. Wait. Wait. So yeah, when they turned, I went, and then at the second turn, at the traffic light, you guys saw, there was like a little bit of a problem. Sorry guys. For me, something went in my throat. So to recap, right? Something went wrong, and then for some reason, like when the light turned to green, the car started moving a little bit and then it stopped. So because of a little bit problem, I guess it was like too much traffic, and because this route was a rush hour, because I wanted to choose a rush hour route for me to drive in, you know? And that's that's exactly what I did. So I chose it, and now it's like much easier because that's what I did. I chose a rush hour route, and it actually helped because I don't know what the problem was when the car started going and stuff, but in my opinion, from what I saw, is that they were they were doing their own best and trying to not, get because it was like a rush hour. I guess they stopped because one car was going straight, you know how other cars go now these days when they're trying to go straight, they go straight, and some, turn left. So yeah, so some of the cars that were that I was in the third lane, some of the cars that were in there, in the last lane, some cars that were in the last lane of me too, wanted to, I guess they were thinking of turning, left, and then some going straight ahead. So it kind of just didn't help anything because the car in front of me, the gray one, was so confused. So I guess he didn't understand where was this car going and other stuff because so that's why he stopped and then I had to stop. But yeah, because honestly, it was actually kind of good because it gave me a lesson to think about it, and I normally don't complain about it, so because I think they were just all, confused and stuff, so unless anything, did happen before or something, otherwise they would have done that, but in my end, I think it was actually a pretty good video for you all, and it has came to my, attention that, those cars, if you're gonna turn, right, if you're trying to turn, go in the first lane. Don't go in the middle or anything. Just go in the last lane and then turn, and then that's it. But they went completely off. They were okay, let's turn. Let's go in the third lane that I was in, and then turn. And then, you know, when the light's green, decide to go and all this fun stuff. So it's like, I was a little bit confused at the time, but like, ish, it was insane. So like, it was not that bad for me because I actually got a little bit of a learning time for that, but to be honest, can't complain about it, you know? Now let's check. Because I think they were a little bit confused, or, wait, let me double check in the washer first. I think they were a little bit confused, and that's why it like configured it to that reason. But otherwise they wouldn't have done that. But I get it, you know. But I think they were honestly a little bit confused because, like, some cars were going straight, as you guys saw in the because I did the thing. So I guess they were a little bit confused, and it turned out that in like my perspective, they were like a little bit confused or didn't know where to go. They were like trying to make it like a decision, like they were trying to like make a decision to go straight or left, you know. But I wasn't really sure at the time, so because I don't know. Honestly, I'll just think about it and then see what happens. Honestly, yeah. But yeah. Anyways, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out. Bye.